What's up, guys? Right now I'm going to show you my EDC car keychain. I built this system based on my daily needs. Alright, let's get to it then. I personally use the split rings to carry all the tools, simply because it's safer. And since this is a car keychain, of course I have the car key and the remote. Next is this. This is the Ultimate Survival Technologies key multi-tool. It has a corkscrew, a small blade, and also a bottle opener. Next item is this. This is the Tasker Keychain Multi-Tool from Chums. It has a slot screwdriver, an SAE ruler, a metric ruler, a bottle opener, and also a Phillips screwdriver. Next item is this. This is the GI type P51 can opener. And I also have this. This is the True Utility 192 ClipTool. It has a file, a slot screwdriver, a bottle opener, a small blade, a Phillips screwdriver, a quick release clip, and if I open this thing, it also has pliers and a wire cutter. Alright. The last item are these. These are my folding scissors. To unfold it, all I gotta do is just pull out both handles like this, and I have myself a pair of scissors. To fold it, I simply flatten it like this first and push back in both handles like so. Alright, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Much respect to you all. Take care. I'll see you all out there. Peace.